আসসালামু আলাইকুম সবাইকে। আশা করি সবাই ভালো আছেন। আলহামদুলিল্লাহ আমরাও সবাই ভালো আছি। আমার নাম স্বর্ণা। কারেন্টলি আমি স্টে করছি সুইজারল্যান্ডে সিন্স 2011. I live with my parents, my husband, and Alhamdulillah I have a small little baby. He's just 9 months now, and my brother's family. Today I have an appointment with my doctor for my facial treatment, so I'll be sharing my experience with you guys. It was really raining outside and it was cold, so I had to leave my baby with my mom, and we're in the traffic now. This is my very first video on YouTube. আশা করি সবার আমার ভিডিওগুলো ভালো লাগবে, সবাই এনজয় করবেন। Even if you like my video, even if you don't like my video, please subscribe my channel and give me support and your warm welcome to share my more videos. Since I'm a newcomer, I will definitely be nervous, but with your supports and seeing so many people subscribing my channel, I'll be cheered up to share more videos. My father is driving. He's very supportive actually. Wherever I go with him. The doctor I'm going to, it's very closer to my house. I'm almost near to my doctor. Just need like 2 minutes to enter the place. This is actually where you can get everything from super shop to restaurant to baby PlayStation, like for shopping, whatever you want you can get here. Actually this is where most of the Asian people comes for their shopping. Every food here is halal. There's Little India, Istanbul, and also the movie zone where I'll be going to watch the animals movie, hopefully tomorrow with my brother. My father is looking for a parking place to park his car. Then I'll be going to my doctor. There is Super Spa. This is actually where I buy my groceries, and not only me, most of the Asians comes here for their groceries. কারণ সুইজারল্যান্ডে সবখানে হালাল মিট পাওয়া যায় না। Spa it's like the only hope for the halal meat. And that's my doctor's clinic, and I'm not allowed to record there, so I just took an outside video for you guys. Then I'm going for some of the shoppings for the house, my baby's food. Those flowers got so attractive, so I could not wait to record them. There was sale going on household stuff, so I was just checking it. Even though I have almost all those things, but you know, as a housewife, whenever you see household stuff, you feel like buying it. And there comes my garden stuff. One day I'll be sharing with you guys my garden. It's a small garden, but I love my garden. I wanted to buy this white pot, but I don't have hanging plants yet. I need to buy the plants first, then I'll get the pot. Let me just get this one for now. I don't know what will I plant there. I don't have any seedlings for now to plant, but let me just buy it since I can't go out of a shopping market without buying something for the garden. Let me check which one fits. Yeah, that's perfect. Let me grab that for now. Let me say something. Many people will be complaining like why I'm mixing Bangla and English. Actually, there'll be lots of Swazis, foreigners who will be watching my videos, and since I'm a new YouTuber, I don't know if I should call myself YouTuber, but since I'm a new come on YouTube, I don't know how to put the subtitles, so I had to mix the language for the foreigners. So আশা করি এটা ক্ষমা দৃষ্টিতেই দেখবেন। এখন আমার বেবির জন্য একটা ওয়েট ওয়াইপ নিচ্ছি। বাসায় দেখলাম অলমোস্ট ফিনিশ হিজ ওয়াইপস। I love the wipes from Spa. The packaging is really good. So let me just get that for now. বেবি সেকশন আসলে ইচ্ছে করে সব কিনি, সবই অনেক সুন্দর, অনেক এসেন্সিয়াল। অ্যাকচুয়ালি আমি অনেক লাকি টু হ্যাভ এ বেবি, বিকজ ইফ ইউ ডোন্ট হ্যাভ এ বেবি you will not come to this section. When I didn't have a baby, I was like, I should buy this, but I don't know what will I use it for. I'm really blessed, glad, thanks to my creator, my Allah, for giving me my baby. Then I need a Cerelac for him. There was so much variety of Cerelac, I got so confused which one to take. Then আমি চিন্তা করলাম মিক্সড ফ্রুটটা আনি, since all the fruits will be mixed there, and I have tried it before. My son loves it. Now it's time to go back to the house. আশা করি সবাই আমার ভিডিওটা ভালো লাগবে। যদি না ভালো লাগে ভিডিওটা, প্লিজ give a thumbs up, since this is my first video, and whoever watch my video, please subscribe my channel. Hope to see you with the animal movie, which I'll be watching maybe tonight, and I'll share with you my review with the animal movie. I'm heading back to the house with my dad again. সবাই ভালো থাকবেন, ভালো থাকার চেষ্টা করবেন। আসসালামু আলাইকুম সবাইকে, আল্লাহ হাফেজ।